Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to check the save contact on Google account on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, if you have previously saved the number or contact to your Google account, then the contact will be saved and the number will be saved. And if you want to see the contact again in your Google account, it's very easy. So without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, the first thing first is now you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then now you can scroll down and go to Google menu. And then after that, now you can click on the Google account, and then after that now you can search for this one guys, people and sharing, and then here there's contact. Now you can click and it will show your saved contact on Google account. Alright guys, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.